Ka Ïewrynghep Secondary School hani ka sngi baar ka khan ruk tarik yong arjan phosau. Kala pynhap pyrda no ek annual sports meet ka bashipho. Belasdang na ka sau tarik mtau yayong ha ka madan chnong mau nyangla. Ha ka ka sngi uba Lionel Nongklau Human Service Worker. Ubaderu ha ka juga por secretary ka Sanchnong Youth Welfare Organization. Ulwan kumu kongsan nang tau uba mighty giri kharmi acting rabashnong jonga mau nyangla kumu sambut kongsan. Ki balai don rangkat ha ka sngi ki kanthub yo principal ka school Ïewrynghep Secondary School uba Stefan Renja. Kino hikai ki kana school ki kimi ki pa lambat kiwi belas akot ngubha layo ru ka jingkran langkot uba mighty giri baru na kongsan uba Lionel Nongklau ki balai mesim ki kana juga dengan school bagi nang trishtom banduk kiu haki sports baper nalor kata uba Lionel ulapan kan mau bagi kana kiri mesim kiaru ya ki jing pule kana bikin poy syakathong ha ka negasngi layo ru ban ku burom kerpang ya kato kane ki thele kai football ki balada na pedeng jongki ki balai ban simenta syaka international subrato cup Delhi North East Olympic Games Mikhle Games ba National School Games ki bakan thup ya ke inrila idor khong thau kamela ribaha lengdo kalari hun sangtiang berkasap hinya Nongklau
applause. And from the girls class 5 and class 6, first prize goes to Pinka Kumari. Naijik Taptik Bajan. Now I would like to call up Pranamata Shitang Jiginigi players putting a the chief guest
who presented a fantastic march pass and drill display. Your synchronized movements and precision were breathtaking and showcasing not only your individual talents but also the strength of your teamwork. I would like to convey my deepest congratulations to all the participants for your hard work, dedication, and sportsmanship throughout the event. Your passion to perfection is genuinely admirable. Sporting events like this play a crucial role in the holistic development of your students. They not only encourage a physical health, but also inculcate important qualities such as teamwork, discipline, and personal growth. Whether they won a medal or not, they all earn a priceless experiences and memories that last a lifetime. I also want to express my gratitude to the teachers. Jat balakikon gijongpi ban pedru ya kajing tibet jongkikon gijongpi hakisap kipang kabakidan halaka benta kabenta kajing dan gijongpi pilong komu rishat nakabenta ban kentiu yakani kakam yale kai sports but kam tam ban kentiu ya kapuli kaputi nakabenta kikon kijongpi kiban salong kalawai kabapernai ya kapateng kabansawan nakabenta kasnong katau nakabenta ka imlang kasalang but nakabenta kajat benriu berakawai
kaba juara ya kanam kaburam nam taka state jong jalahi jongi berakawai bat kumjuru nam taka kasnong katau bat katan jongi hakani kabamenta bat ngangit skamru ba nangni skmatru ngi kermen ba lemba jong phi kinoi kai ki batrai stom nam ta school mat kum juru I principal ni headmaster ibadan inang pun kiu chuchu yang nek sport kam da tan bangin ya pet tang ya kawai ka sport kum ono football renga kentu I principal ru in pet lang no ki individual game ru ngi ba ka sorkar nang ni sakmat ngaso bonong bala kalyang kasnong in persang kat bala bangin ya penwatlat lentilem ba umdai tang ka football renga kwa ba kiwi ru ki game ki ne kino jila kai ki badai marwai individual game ba kila man mi pat la kane ka shnong jongi la kane ka school ba kinlek ban yakun pat syakiwi gui jela umdai tang jela jongi re beroi India tengah so bonong ba kamdai tang India ru akwa ba kinlek ba abroad mong kitinawai mo sabar jong ka parthei tengah so bonong ba kane ka school sisa kalong ka badan bok banyo I ba buon ki khna angne ki buon ki ba lami khmat na keleng jong ka jela ki balawan ban saki dalade kisno bonong ba kane school ka school ka ba a kijing kersan ka ba pura ya pi ki khna school